now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Hey Sea Lions, it's so good to see you on this week's episode of the Sea Lion Splash. We have a lot in store for you, including pageant, some college day clips, as well as a request from our 5th graders to help out for OSS. Check it out.
Creepy!
Hey Sea Lion community, each year our 5th graders get a chance to explore the outdoors when they go to the Outdoor Science School, or OSS for short. We have a very special request from you because this year it has been especially cold and rainy out there, and we better be prepared for snow and wet conditions. So our 5th grade leadership team has come together to create a video asking you to help out. Check it out.
Do you have any winter clothing that you just don't know what to do with?
Stuff like waterproof snow boots, ski jackets, and ski pants.
Winter gloves and other warm clothing? If you do, then this message is for you.
Each year, the 5th grade class gets an awesome opportunity to visit OSS, the Outdoor Science School.
OSS is located in the mountains of Big Bear where it is cold, wet, and possibly snowing.
You can help us out by donating your winter gear to the OSS closet starting today. All we ask is that you check to see if the gear can be worn by the average 5th grade student.
We also ask that you give it a wash before donating.
Then just bring the items to McGaw and we'll add it to the OSS closet before Monday, February 13th. And just like that, our classmates that need gear will be warm and cozy.
Thanks so much, Sea Lions. We hope you will consider donating today.
On the first Wednesday of every month, our entire district celebrates something called College Day, and you can help celebrate by wearing a college shirt. Many of you youngsters out there aren't really thinking about college. You're thinking about learning how to read or to do that difficult math problem. But friends, it's never too early to begin thinking about college, because by about the midpoint time in high school, you're going to be expected to know what you're going to want to do with your life. So friends, a way that you can begin thinking about college is to think to yourself, what problems do I want to solve in this world around me? How do I want to contribute to the big special things that I like to do? That way you can match your passions to the best college to help you fulfill that dream. Let's check out some of our Sea Lions and their college of choice.
Long Beach State, USC, Penn, Ohio State, Duke,
Berkeley,
USC, Brandeis, Arizona, MIT, USC, Berkeley,
Fight on, Trojans!
Penn State,
Penn, Stanford,
San Francisco State,
UC, Harvard, USC, Be Fearless, Ramaga.
Get ready, Sea Lions, for this week's announcements.
This past weekend was especially spectacular as the entire Sea Lion community showed up to celebrate the 40th anniversary of the Pageant of the Arts. Check out some highlights from that special event.
Some quick notes. Smile and be happy. There was some definite nerves because of the cameras and things, but tonight I think you're going to notice that there's not as many nerves. Maybe some confidence will be going up, which is good. And definitely listen to that music so that you are all together. All together. That's all we need. And no matter what, if you make a mistake, you want to just smile as if it's part of the choreography.
takes an entire team to put on the Pageant of the Arts. So I want to express my gratitude to our director, Mrs. Leslie Obert, as well as former McGaw teacher, Miss Sherry Kutz. Thank you so much for your time and effort and passion that you put into this project. I also want to express my gratitude to Miss Anya Capone for the arts instruction, as well as the director of narration, Miss Tracy Tochioka. There are so many other coaches and producers and costume designers that have really poured their energy into this project as well. So thank you so much, Sea Lion community, because you really made our school shine this last weekend. There you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.